your sales are probably through the roof right now. Amazon pricing on all of their products is really high right now. Sales velocity is incredibly high at the moment, but you shouldn't buy another wholesale product until you watch this video from beginning to end if you don't want to lose any money. Hey, what's going on guys? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. Like always, make sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss any of my future videos, and always check down below in the description. There's a bunch of resources for you guys. Also opportunity to work with me directly one-on-one. If you guys click that first link in the description. But in this video, I want to go over a few different things that you need to consider and you really need to take into account before you buy your next wholesale product. Now, like I said, we are in peak time right before Christmas. Sales are through the roof. Stockouts are crazy. Everybody's running out of stock, which means prices are also increasing, which means your profit should be increasing. But even with all of these different things going on, I wanted to give you guys a few tips before you buy your next wholesale product so you guys make sure you don't lose any money moving forward. So the first thing that you guys need to consider is product research. Now, like I said, all of these products are incredibly inflated in price. Not all of them, but a lot of them incredibly inflated in price. And this is due to one, demand. Everyone is shopping on Amazon right now, trying to get their last minute gifts before Christmas. But also two, people are running out of stock. And if they're running out of stock, that means that prices are gonna be climbing up. The faster people run out of stock, the faster that price is gonna go up. But if you buy a product thinking that you're gonna be selling it at the price that it's selling right now, or you're selling as many units as it's selling right now, you're gonna be sadly mistaken. Now, there is an increase in sales in January that you can take advantage of, but it's not gonna be like we're seeing right now. Also, the price is most likely not gonna be the same. So what you guys need to do is look at the keeper graph and look at the history before Q4. How is it performing? How is it selling? What price points was it selling at? What is the average price point? What is the high price point? What is the low price point before Q4? That will give you an idea of how this product is going to sell moving forward, because if you're sending shipments in right now or next week, it's not going to sell this year. It's going to be selling sometime in January. Hopefully, it could potentially go even a little bit longer if their processing times are still incredibly slow. But hopefully it's going to be selling in January, but I guarantee you it's not going to be selling this year because it's just too late in the game. So you really need to do your product research, take your time on it, and really consider all of the factors, not just consider where the price is at right now, what the sales velocity is right now, because if you only consider that, when that product goes live, you're going to lose money. You're not going to be selling it at the price it's selling right now, and you're not going to be selling as many units as you're selling right now. So product research is key. Product research is number one above all. Make sure you take your time on it. All right, now number two, which is something you can implement right now, right this second, is look at your competitors. How many competitors do you have left? How many are running out of stock? How much stock do they have left? What kind of opportunities are going to be presented to you in the very near future as far as increasing your price? Now, I'm not saying skyrocket the price to a price point that that product has never been to, because you don't want to get knocked for price gouging, but you can increase your price a little bit along with the competition where they're selling at. Or if you want to wait for them to sell out and then you're going to be the only seller, you do want to increase that price so that you can be making more profit. Again, be smart about this, guys. Amazon monitors pricing very closely right now, but if you stick around the average price points, you can look at the high points that this product is sold for. You can still increase your price to a reasonable amount. It's going to increase your profits so you can be making more money, taking more money home. Do not just focus on the sales numbers. Even if your sales numbers go down a little bit, but your profit increases, that is what matters, because that is what's going to grow your business. Again, guys, I can't stress this enough. Be smart about it. Really look at the keeper graph, look at the price history. Where has the highs been before that you can price it at? You might be able to get away with pricing a little bit higher than that, but don't go crazy. If a product sells for 50 year round, do not price it at 100, because you just don't want to get yourself into problems. It's not worth an extra little bit of profit to get your account suspended or your account knocked, okay? So just really consider all the pricing factors. Look at the keeper graph as a reference so you know what to price at and you know what you can get away with, okay? Now, number three is to plan out what's next. What is your plan moving into 2021? What is your plan for your Amazon business? What is your strategy for your Amazon business? What kind of suppliers are you going to look into? What kind of categories do you want to move more into? different things that you want to do with your business. If you don't have a plan going into 2021, then you're already losing. So you better get a plan right away. You need to have a plan to have a reference point to where you're going. If you don't have a reference point to where you're going, you're aimless. Okay, your business is just existing, but it's not going to progress. So you really want to plan out what is your plan, what are your strategies, what do you want to implement in 2021 with your Amazon business to help you grow and take it to the next level. Planning out is absolutely important. It's absolutely crucial. Every single one of you guys should have a plan moving into 2021. All right, guys, but those are a couple of tips to help you make more money and prevent you from losing any money moving into 2021 with your Amazon business. Now, if you guys want to know how to compete against Amazon so you guys can jump on listings where Amazon is also selling, but you're going to be making a lot of money on it, you're going to want to watch the video on the screen where I go over every single detail that you're going to need to know to compete with Amazon. Just click the video on the screen and you'll get started right away.